What's up guys, Sal here. So for the first time ever, the Galaxy Note 9 made an appearance in a video. This is not a clone by the way, it's a far too polished and premium looking product to be a dummy unit or cheap Chinese clone. Those sharp edges, razor thin screen bezels, and especially that reorganized back featuring a centered fingerprint reader below a horizontally dual camera setup shows it's a legit device. The leak is coming from a retailer, Mobile Fun. They have obtained this video from a source in China, and the Note 9 CNET is apparently being used to test screen protectors. Unfortunately, it looks like we'll have to wait a little while longer for the first hands-on video showing the Note 9 with its infinity display switched on. But that's okay, since we're only a week away from the Unpacked event, which is gonna take place in New York City. So yeah, very excited for that. So Ice Universe is back with some more information on the Galaxy Note 9. The device will be the first one to introduce Samsung's next generation of artificial intelligence, the Bixby 2.0. With it, we'll get some sort of AI-based UX, perhaps an upgraded version of Bixby screen. We'll also be getting some new icons for the Samsung Experience Interface's basics apps, so I'm not sure how much of a big deal this is, considering the fact that the Samsung theme store allows you to go crazy with the icons anyway. We'll be getting a whole new S Pen menu. I assume this means the Air Command floating menu will get a redesign, a much needed one for sure. And lastly, the tweet says there will be new gestures as well. I assume this has something to do with Android P and its new gestures. The home button is now a home bar that you can slide left, right and up.
And here it is, the Galaxy Tab S4. Thanks to its slim, light design, the Tab S4 can slip into some pretty small bags. It also comes with its own S Pen right here in the box. The Tab S4 has a sleek design and a large immersive screen. Why did we make the screen so big? Because these days people are choosing to watch more videos on mobile devices. And size isn't the only update we've made to the Tab S4's display though. We've also narrowed down the bezels and increased the pixel density of the stunning Super Amoled display. To ensure you also get the best audio, the Tab S4 has 4 powerful speakers. These quad speakers are tuned by AKG. Combine that with Tab S4's Dolby Atmos surround sound and you have an audio experience that puts you right in the middle of the action.
Okay.